ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 29 Referential Integrity. Referential integrity is a set of rules which can be applied to relationships, ensuring they are valid and that data is not accidentally deleted or changed. It may be applied when specific conditions are met. The matching field from the primary table is a primary key. The related fields are the same data types, and both tables belong to the same database. Enforcing referential integrity controls the updating of primary key data in the primary table and the deletion of any record from the primary table if a related record exists elsewhere. A record cannot be added to a related table if a record does not exist in the primary table. So in our example, there can be no repair record for a computer unless an associated computer record exists in the primary table. Okay, so let's put this into practice so we can understand what's going on. Let's open the Custom Computers database, and from the Database Tools tab, select Relationships. And this will display the relationships between the various tables. Now let's right-click with the mouse on the relationship line between computers and repairs and select Edit Relationship. In the Edit Relationships dialog box, check the box for Enforce Referential Integrity and then click OK. Enforcing referential integrity will change the relationship line to show the type of relationship, in this case one to many. Okay, let's close the relationships window. If we now open the computers table in Datasheet View and then click on the right to select the whole record T2457, then from the Records group within Table Tools, select Delete. As can be seen, this record cannot be deleted as there are related records in the Repairs table. Click OK and then close the table. Next, let's open the Repairs table in Datasheet View. This time, click in the empty record row at the end of the table and enter the following information: job number 18, engineer David, job description renew case, serial number XY33, that's capital X, capital Y 33, the date the 29th of the 6th 2008, and then press enter after the last entry. As there is no serial number for this job in the computers table, a new job record cannot be created. Click OK and then delete the information just entered by pressing either Escape or using the Undo key. Close the table and then save, as we're going to need this database for the next lesson in which we're going to be discussing cascade options. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.